Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create a business infographic using 3D Workspace in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and place infographic elements. I pause because data must feel clear. I convert icons into 3D shapes. The 3D Workspace opens. I align objects in depth layers. I rotate slightly for flow. Business infographics need structure. I balance lighting across elements. I zoom out and review hierarchy. The information now feels organized and engaging. 3D Workspace improves understanding visually.